प्लीज जो भी जितने भी लोग हैं, जितने भी है, प्लीज सपना को टॉर्चर करना बंद करो.
And also, we never ever hated each other. Like, it's being portrayed that way. Yeah, there was a moment, there was a span of time where we were like very off, okay?
Yeah,
but then by the end of the
annoying.
show only, we were dancing. Do you even remember? I sneaked out and all of that. Shruti
Yeah,
was
yeah,
there.
yeah. We
But
were dancing together. I know, and because we forgive easily कि जो भी चीजें हो रही है हम भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि मस्ती हमारे मस्ती वाला मूड रहता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. बट हम मेरे को पता है हम दोनों गुस्सा भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है, हमें गुस्सा भी बहुत ज्यादा है हमारे अंदर.
because one thing that everybody needs to understand is that we are shooting for literally 20 to 21 hours a day, okay? And we are standing almost all the time. We are like,
Exactly.
we get exhausted, okay? And by that time, if anything happens, we lose our shit.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वंस अगेन. आई होप सो आज सब लोग सेफ होंगे और अपने अपने घरों में होंगे. तो आज की इस न्यू वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सपना मलिक और भूमिका की. तो जैसे कि लास्ट एपिसोड में आप सबने देखा होगा कि सपना ने किस तरह भूमिका को टारगेट किया था और उनके बारे में कितनी कितनी गंदी बातें लिखी थी, जिस वजह से लोग उनसे काफ़ी अपसेट हैं और लोग उनको काफ़ी हेट दे रहे हैं. तो जिस वजह से सपना कल लाइव आई थी अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे. तो आज हम वो पूरा लाइव देखने वाले हैं और उन्होंने भूमिका को सॉरी भी बोला और उन्होंने उनकी मदर को सॉरी भी बोला भूमिका की. तो आज हम वो लाइव देखने वाले हैं. लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो गाइस प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकन सो आपको हमारे चैनल की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. तो चलिए गाइस वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Oh god. Okay.
आने के लोगों को.
Okay. So, yeah.
हाँ.
Okay. So, okay. I just want to start from the beginning, very beginning. In fact, just told you about it as well, that you were the first person who welcomed me when I got in Splitsvilla. I shifted in your room, if you remember.
Yeah.
And yeah, and like I stayed for just one night, but yeah, even that one night was something. Okay. So yeah, we had really good terms. If yeah, even that thing was not shown. Do you remember that Murgi wala task that which you had to paint and everything?
Yeah.
They did not show that, you know, I was even telling you and I was cheering for you as well and for our team as well.
Yeah.
When after that, you know, my team got really angry at me that you are cheering for both the people, and that is like not cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, then shit went down and everything like got really bad between us all of a sudden. In fact, do you remember there were times when you were like really in that zone that, you know, I don't want to do this shit, I want to quit, I'm going home. And
Exactly.
do you remember that?
I
was the one who was like, no, you have to speak, you have to speak, you have to speak. I was the one who was like, used to tell you, you know, just start taking your stand and shit. And yeah, and then shit went really bad with us, and both of us are like really hurtful things to each other. But I just felt like, you know, after we hugged it out and after we sorted everything that happened between us, I still remember last day we both were crying, we both were hugging each other, and we were legit crying. And yeah, we danced after that as well, but we were like crying because by the ending of the show we got like really apart, and we said we were really cruel to each other, like really mean.
Very cruel to each other.
We were very mean to each other by the end. Okay.
Definitely.
And yeah, and it was, I don't know how to even portray it. We never wanted to do that. Like, at least both of us never wanted to do it. And then we shared like really private stuff to each other as well, because, you know, there was a moment when both of us were like crying and we just cried.
I remember that very precisely. मुझे वो बात बहुत अच्छे से पता है. And somewhere down the line, it was in my mind all the time कि ठीक है, अगर हम बात भी नहीं करते हैं, हम दोनों साथ में भी नहीं हैं, but we respect each other in that way कि आगे कुछ हम बोले ना. सीरियसली जब ये एपिसोड आया है, आई विल टेल यू दिस कि वो एपिसोड जब देख रही थी तब ना सपना वो जब बोला है कि व्योम के पीछे पागल है वो, उससे पहले आई वाज ओके, आई वाज वाचिंग इट एंड आई वाज लाइक चल ठीक है, आई थिंक इतना तो हमने बोला ही था एक दूसरे के लिए, वी नो दैट. बट दैट मोमेंट आई गॉट ट्रिगर्ड बिकॉज and I'm sorry for that because I know you're getting like a lot of hate for unnecessary
A lot
reasons.
of love I'm getting, yeah.
And why I'm saying this out loud because जब मेरे को hate मिलती है कोई भी episode आने के बाद या मेरे को दिखता है कि ओ माय गॉड अब तो ये ज्यादा ही हो रहा है, ये मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ को भी खराब कर रहा है, मुझे ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं जो कि ट्रू नहीं है, एंड तब मैं अपने आप को रैशनलाइज करती हूँ।
Dude, there is no line that people keep. People go to any extent. They be keeping rape threats to me and to my sister. I mean, she's just 15. Why the fuck are you even involving her? That's me.
Same. Like people try to defame you. People try to say mean things to you, knowing they don't know you. Exactly,
Yeah.
they don't know you. And I get it. Like I was seeing the comments. I'll not like say कि मैंने नहीं देखे, मैंने देखे हैं, and मुझे पता है कि तुम्हें बहुत बुरा लग रहा होगा ये सब देखते हुए कि just because from one episode knowing कि हमने उस टाइम बोल दिया in the heat of the moment we said things to each other doesn't mean that she should get hate right now. So guys, please जो भी जितने भी लोग हैं जितने भी है please सपना को torture करना बंद करो.
And also we never ever hated each other. Like it's been portrayed that way. Yeah, there was a moment, there was a span of time where we were like very off, okay?
Yeah,
but then by the end of the
annoying.
show only, we were dancing. Do you even remember? I sneaked out and all of that.
Yeah,
Shruti also did.
yeah, we
But
were dancing together. I know, and because we forgive easily कि जो भी चीजें हो रही है हम भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि मस्ती हमारे मस्ती वाला मूड रहता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. बट मेरे को पता है हम दोनों गुस्सा भी बहुत ज्यादा होता है, हमें गुस्सा भी बहुत ज्यादा है हमारे अंदर.
Because one thing that everybody needs to understand is that we are shooting for literally 20 to 21 hours a day, okay? And we are standing almost all the time. We are like,
Exactly.
we get exhausted, okay? And by that time, if anything happens, we lose our shit. And then we say like really mean stuff because everything hurts us as well.
Yeah.
So we just want to hurt the other person at that time. But after like thoda sa time only we realize and then we just sort it out. But that thing is
Stop
obviously...
crying, Sapna.
No, I'm not. Are you crazy? No. It's just... No, dude. It's just like... I remember... Like, I'm not a person who's like very expressive at stuff, okay? And like, I can never be. I can never be. Do you even remember the one time that we did all of this? We were like all alone. It was night. Okay, I was outside my room and around this jhadia and stuff. Yeah, around the jhadia and stuff, and we were talking because I felt like if someone else is gonna listen to me, they're gonna be like, "Yes, ye baatein bhi karti hai. Is she that sweet as well?" Because I am not.
Yeah, I know.
I'm
It's
not
just
at all a person like that. Like with you, your emotions.
I'll tell you, कल मेरी mama, obviously, like I'll not say कि मेरी mama ने जो बोला वो बिल्कुल सही बोला, but she said it in the heat of the moment, knowing कि सर ने जैसे तुझे बोला था कि किसी के भी parents देखेंगे वो दे सोचेंगे कि क्या बोल रहा है. So वो पार्ट नहीं दिखाया, but ये तो जरूर हुआ कि मेरी मम्मा ट्रिगर हो गया उस चीज से, and I told her कि चले जाओ यहाँ से because नहीं बनता उनका. So deeply I'm sorry knowing कि मैंने उनको बात
Dude, Nikhil, I am like in talking terms with him now because of Palak. But even he said so many cruel things to me. And obviously, my brother sees it. My sister sees it. My elder brothers also
everyone
see it.
sees it. I know that.
And my elder brother is like, how the fuck can he even just say all of these things to you? Okay, like even if it's a girls, Gabru, please shut up. Even if it's a girls situation, it's like, you know, ek kudi dujji kudi nu keh rahi hai na, koi munda bichon nahi vad raha. And he also went like really pissed, and especially if it's a brother, like elder brother especially, it gets like really crazy with them to handle them. And also dude, I cannot take shit, and obviously I cannot be sweet only. That is not my shit. I feel like rather than expressing myself in front of everybody, I'll just shoot myself. It's like that for me.
Don't do that.
I never wanted
I get it.
to.
Like सबको like जितना भी, I think you're in talking terms with Nikhil now. You'll be knowing कि वो सब हम सब ने जितना भी कुछ भी बोला है वो गलत बोला है. And पता है मेरे को feel like जितना मैंने एपिसोड देखा है, like मैंने 2-3 बार देख चुकी हूँ मैं, तो उसमें मैंने ये रियलाइज किया कि मैं टारगेट like मेरे पे गिरा बट सपना पे भी बहुत ज्यादा गिरा है पानी, ध्रुव पे भी गिरा है, केविन पे भी है, निकिता पे भी है, तो कहीं ना कहीं सब पे हुआ है. It just
you must have felt more targeted because not only the other people were targeting you, but somewhere the gang was also putting things on you. So I felt like, even everybody said that, that everybody is like on her. And I was like, yeah, at that point we did not realize. Also, they did not show कि सबके बारे में किसने क्या लिखा है. ठीक है, सिर्फ मेरे वाले आ रहे थे कि हाँ ये मैंने बोला है, ये मैंने बोला है, like okay. But बाकी के किसी के दिखाए भी नहीं इतने.
बल्कि मेरा एक और था, आई थिंक वो नहीं आया, मेरे सिर्फ 2 ही आए थे जो बोला था. सबके लिए 3 आए थे ना, जब बात सारी चल रही थी सबकी जितना हो रहा था, मेरे सिर्फ 2 आए थे. सो हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं नहीं आई हैं चीजें, नहीं पता चला है किसने क्या बोला है किसके लिए. इट्स जस्ट यू बीइंग पोर्ट्रेड मोर बिकॉज you are out there, you're out there, you're represented, like every time who comes up you like सपना ही दिख रही है, और कौन दिख रहा है, सपना ही दिख रही है पूरे शो में. So be glad, ठीक है, be glad. I know अभी जितना चल रहा है हेट मिलेगा, मेरे को भी बहुत हेट मिला है, मुझे तो स्टार्टिंग से हेट मिलता हुआ आ रहा है जैसी शो शुरू उसके बाद से.
Oh God, it's like, but it is like, okay, everybody gets hate after the show, but at times it gets so toxic. I never felt that this is going to be so toxic.
It does.
I got a call from Kev, I got a call from Nikita, and they were like, babe, are you okay? And I'm like, dude, I don't even know, the things people are writing are insane. Like, they're insane.
I know. So you think like you're getting a hate right now, and I'm getting hate since Vyomesh and Arushi, then Nikhil and Palak, and then even you're like, you have great amount of following. Okay, you have great amount of following. मैं अभी बच्ची हूँ तुम्हारे सामने, so मेरे को भी उसी चीज पे इतनी सारी लाइक मिलती है. But I know by the end of the day कि मेरे को मुझे रियलाइज हो रहा है कि है ना, सबको उतना ही हेट मिल रहा है, एंड नहीं बनता, इतना नहीं बनता जितना सपना को बोला जा रहा है. गाइस स्टॉप इट.
Dude, when Shivam and I were like best friends in the show. Best friends. Okay, after coming back, even we got into so many fights.
Yeah,
and now imagine, like day after tomorrow, I'm traveling with him to Goa. Like, I never thought that he will be my travel partner. Can you imagine that?
Imagine, exactly. So like हालात बदल दिए, जज्बात बदल दिए.
So everything happens, and now when we talk to each other, we really realize that, you know what, why did we never had a word in the villa? He was like, because you were in the other team. I was like, yeah, maybe that. So
exactly, and it was a very short period of time. ठीक है,
exactly, and all the time we were occupied with things. So
एंड अभी सारी चीजें वैसे भी बदल चुकी हैं. वी ऑल नो कि सब पलट गया है, सब बदल गया है. एंड क्या पता इसके बाद मेरा सपना भी बदल जाए इस चीज को लेकर.
Dude, oh God, oh my God. Even in one of my YouTube videos, I said that I don't hate anyone, but I don't talk to the girls, like except for Palak, I don't talk to them. I don't have a word with them. So I won't say I hate them, but it's like I have never had a conversation with them.
We don't vibe with each other. That's what it is. कि हमने एक दूसरे को जानने की कोशिश ही नहीं की है इतना कि हम नहीं पता कर पाए कौन कैसा है, कितना क्या है. कुछ भी बोल रहे हो अभी, पता है.
But we never even got the time as well, in the beginning, because we were like, chill, yeah, fine. Because I remember my dress was like, by the end of the show, it was hanging in your bathroom. Okay. Yeah. So people think that, even in the show, we just fight like all the time, like 24/7 we are fighting. Even when we are having our food, we are like, ye kyun khana kha rahi hai? We don't do that, okay? We like legit don't do that. When we all are eating, we are like, अच्छा खाने में क्या? And everybody used to tease me, Sapna, आज vanilla आई है, आज strawberry आई है. So everybody used to be like that. Even Shivam.
कौन सा ice cream flavor you were demanding? I think chocolate was it?
और एक ही बार आया था.
भाई कितनी बार सपना लाइक जब भी खाने के लिए चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम नहीं आई, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम नहीं आई है.
Like begging them. और एक बार तो मुझे डांट भी पड़ गई थी क्योंकि मैं अंदर घुस गई थी उनकी किचन में मांगते हुए. So it was not allowed. But yeah, I mean, we've had our share of, happy and sad times, but after coming back and after like 4 months of the show has passed and we are like still over that, and that thing was like, what is happening? I saw the live. Even you did not say a lot of shit. I'm very sorry to Auntie that obviously she must have felt like very bad because her daughter is on the screen and people are saying shit about her.
Yeah.
So I'm like really sorry to her as well that she felt so sad. Obviously, if it had been my mother would have like
Yeah,
But
definitely. And मैंने मम्मा को फिर बताया, मैंने मम्मा को तो बताया कि what is it, ऐसे नहीं बोलो, like उनको भी ऐसे थोड़ा बुरा लगेगा, and I have told her. So even like I am sorry and you're sorry, so अब हम sorry खेलते रह जाएंगे तो दोस्ती वोस्ती कब
yeah,
रहेगी
exactly.
यार?
Let's not, like, I really don't want to blame fucking everyone. I don't want to fucking blame anyone on like anything for, yeah, we did shit, we owned it, and we
Yeah.
apologized as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's there. That now